Morning everyone. In today's class we are going to learn about this primitive cell. Okay, what is primitive cell? Okay, primitive cell is the smallest volume cell of crystal. It is the smallest volume of volume cell of crystal. What is primitive cell? This is the smallest volume cell of crystal. Smallest volume of crystal. We often use primitive lattice factor to define the axis of crystal. Okay, last time we draw this. Okay, there we know about this primitive cell, isn't it? Sorry, this one. Okay, this is the primitive cell this is A, B, C. These are the axes. Which axis? These are the crystal axis. Okay, translation vectors are primitive vectors. Translation vectors are primitive vectors if these vectors forms three adjacent edges of parallelopipe of smallest volume. The primitive cell is always contain the lattice point only at the corner. Primitive cell, it always contains lattice points at the corner of the crystal. Then types of crystal lattice. Then what are the types of crystal lattice? Types of crystal lattice. In two-dimensional lattice type, we had written like this: T is equal to translation vector T is equal to n a1 plus m a2. Okay, or else we can write this also n1 a1. Okay, n2 a2. These n1 and n2 are the numbers. Okay, considering the two lattice vectors for defining any point of the simple translation. Okay, that is called as two-dimensional crystal lattice. Then one more which will come, that is Bravais lattice, which is the most important for the examination also. The Bravais lattice, here the 5 distinct types are there. How many types? In Bravais lattice, there are 5 distinct type of lattice in 2 dimension called as Bravais lattice. There are 5 distinct types are there. Okay, what are the 5 distinct types? Let's see now. So first one is square, hexagonal. This square, hexagonal. Then centered rectangular. Then oblique is there. There are 5 types of Bravais lattice are there. Okay, let's see now. So first one is square. These are the lattice points. We know these are the translational vector A1, B1. Okay. This is the square Bravais lattice. It is the first type of Bravais lattice is square. Then second one, hexagonal is there. Hexagonal, how we draw this? How can we draw this? We can draw like this. Okay, these are the lattice points. Here is the one vector A1 and here is the another one B1. So this is the center point which can join this. This is the hexagonal Bravais lattice. Then one more is here, that is centered rectangular lattice. We can draw like this. This is A and this is B. The angle made here, the angle that we learnt as alpha, beta, gamma, which are in 3 dimension. In 2 dimension we can take only in in 2 dimension we can take beta, alpha and beta. So this is the one more Bravais lattice type, which is centered rectangular lattice. This is centered rectangular one. Then one more we'll draw like this. So that is oblique one. Again we go for this A1 and B1 vector. Okay, then this we can join here. This is the oblique one. Okay, these are the Bravais lattice. Okay, first one is square, hexagonal and centered rectangular, and last one is oblique one. Then there are 3-dimensional lattice types are there. 3-dimensional lattice types, let's write. Three-dimensional lattice types. These all are the lattice types. Three-dimensional lattice types, the crystal system are divided into 7 types. If 5 are there, those are Bravais lattice. If 7 are there, those are the crystal system or 7-type crystal system based on the condition of lattice 3 vectors and 3 interfacing angles. Lattice vector A, B, C and the interfacial angles alpha, beta and gamma. These are the 3-dimensional lattice conditions. Then 7 types crystal system which contains 14 types of lattice. How many types? These 3-dimensional lattice which are 7 groups. These are the 7 groups are there. Then again in the 7 group there are 14 types of lattice are there. How many types of lattice are there? In the 7 group there are 14 types of lattice are there. Those will named as these 7 groups, those are named as cubic one, then tetragonal, cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, then triclinic, triangular. We can use as rhombohedral for triangular lattice. rhombohedral, and last one is hexagonal. These are the 7 types of crystal systems, which are, first one is cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, triangular or else rhombohedral. Seventh one is hexagonal. These are the 7 types of crystal system. So let's study each of these 7 crystal system. These 7 crystal system will study as, first one is, we are studying about this crystal system. Which is the first crystal system? Ours is first crystal system is cubic one. Cubic, here number of lattices are 3. Number of lattices are 3. Then what are the lattice types? Lattice types are simple cubic. Simple cubic, we can indicate this as SC, simple cubic. Then second one is body centered, that we can, body centered cubic, we can indicate this as BCC. Okay. Then third one is face centered. Face centered cubic, that we can indicate as FCC. Okay. Then here what is the parameters? How these parameters, what are the parameters? We know A, B, C and alpha, beta, gamma are lattice parameters. Then what is the measurement of these parameters in cubic system? In cubic system, A1 equals A2 equals A3. These 3 vectors are same in length. Then angle between them is alpha, beta, gamma. These 3 angles which are equal to 90 degree. So what are the examples for this cubic crystal system? For the cubic crystal system, the examples are copper, then iron and NaCl are the examples for the cubic crystal system. Then second one is tetragonal. Okay. What is the second one? Second one is the tetragonal cubic crystal system. Sorry, tetragonal crystal system. In tetragonal crystal system, the number of lattices are 2. How many lattices are there? There are 2 lattices are there in the tetragonal. Then what are the types of the lattice? Here in the tetragonal there are 2 types are there. First one is simple tetragonal. Simple tetragonal, that we can indicating as ST. Then body centered tetragonal, that we can indicate as BCT. Then what is the parameter? What is the lattice parameter measurement? Here the lattice parameter measurements are A1 equals A2, but which is not equal to A3. Only 2 parameters are equal and another one is having different measurement. Then what about the angles between them? The angles between them is alpha equals beta equals gamma. These 3 angles which are equal to 90 degree. Then what are the examples for this tetragonal system? That for the tetragonal system, the examples are tin. Tin we can indicate as Sn. Then titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide. Titanium dioxide is example for the tetragonal crystal system. Then third one is orthorhombic. Third one is orthorhombic. Here the number of lattices are 4. How many lattices are here? Here the number of lattices are 4. Those are simple lattice, then body centered, then body centered, face centered, then end centered. There are the 4 types of orthorhombic crystal system. Those are simple, body centered, face centered and end centered. Then what about this lattice parameter? Lattice parameters A1 is not equal to A2 is not equal to A3, means these 3 vectors does not have the same length. Okay, then what about the angle? Alpha equal to beta equal to gamma, which is equal to 90 degree. Okay, then for the example for this is cementite. Cementite and gallium are the examples for the orthorhombic crystal system. One is gallium and another one is cementite, Fe3C. Then fourth one is monoclinic. Then how many number of lattices are present in monoclinic crystal system? There are 2 number of lattices are present in monoclinic. Then what are those? These are simple and end centered. Simple and end centered. Okay. Then what about this lattice parameter? The lattice parameters A1 is not equal to A2 is not equal to A3, means these have the different unit, different length. Then alpha equal to beta, these 2 angles which are equal to 90 degree, but alpha and gamma are equal to 90 degree but not beta. The one angle, beta angle, is not equal to 90 degree, in which in monoclinic crystal system. Then another one is triclinic. Another one is, fifth one is triclinic. How the crystal system? How many lattices are here? There is only one lattice. Number of lattices is 1, which is simple one. Then here the parameter are A1 is not equal to A2, which is not equal to A3, means here the length is different. Here the angles are also not equal. Alpha is not equal to beta, which is not equal to gamma. Then the examples for this is potassium parasulfate. Potassium parasulfate is the example. For the for the triclinic, potassium parasulfide is the example. Then sixth one is trigonal. We can write this as trigonal as well as rhombohedral. Both are same. Trigonal or rhombohedral. Here the number of lattices are 1, which is simple one. Then the lattice parameters are alpha equal to beta, which is equal to gamma, which are less than 120 degree, but not equal to 90 degree. Then the lattice axis A, B, C, the lattice length are A1 equal to A2 equal to A3. The lengths are same, but the angle, interfacial angles are different. Then last one is hexagonal one. Hexagonal crystal system. Here also there is number of lattice points are 1, which is simple one. Here the lattice parameters which are equal to alpha equal to beta equal to 90 degree. Gamma, here gamma is equal to 120 degree. Then A1 equal to A2 but not A3. Only 2 parameters are equal. Then the one more is not equal. Then example for this is zinc and magnesium. These are the examples for the hexagonal. What are the things we discussed here? The crystal system: cubic, tetragonal, orthorhombic, monoclinic, triclinic, trigonal and hexagonal. In next class we will learn about how the structure of simple cubic, body centered cubic and face centered cubic we will discuss in next class.